If you want to add an event to calendar on Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer and you can try to find the calendar app, which you should be able to find, for example, by going to the Google folder over here. And here we have the calendar app. Now here we can press on this plus button in the bottom right corner and you can go to event. You can choose the event option to start setting up the event. You can set up the title for the event. You can, for example, choose the date and time when the event starts and when it ends. So as you can see here, we can pick everything up. You can also make the event last a whole day or a couple of days, of course. And you can also tap on the time zone and you can choose the time zone for the event. You can also choose if the event should be repeatable or not. We can include some people, we can add location, we can manage notifications, so you can decide when you want to be informed about the upcoming event, and so on and so forth. Once you set everything up in here, just tap on save in the upper right corner, and then the event has been easily created like that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.